triple. Ang sapuro sila maboto sila mabi. Get loud. Hello, Mensa. Yo, did I leave my lipstick clear? Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing very good. By the way, I don't like this lipstick because it makes my lips look like let me just and stuff. What's this now? Like, what the hell is happening? Oh, I was eating Cerelac. Yes, hi guys. I hope everyone is doing good today. Good morning. It's still morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing good today. I'm just here to speak about a few things, right? Today, no jokes, guys. No weird filters. Anyway, so you guys know that I am now officially the director, provincial director for Miss Teen Icon South Africa, right? So there's just a few things that I wanted to address in terms of the Miss Teen Icon South Africa. So basically, now one of my responsibilities as a director is to get Gauteng modeled, right? Because Gauteng. So hence Kili the director of Gauteng. So I have to get 50 models. I need 50 of you guys, right? But I know that if I'm gonna host auditions, it's gonna be a whole long process. It's gonna be a long process. So as you guys like get that ready in front of you guys. But anyway, so I know that me hosting auditions for the modeling girls that I want, it's gonna be a whole long process. So I have partnered up with Naledi Star Foundation in order for me to go those 50 girls. So I am gonna be live again. I don't think today though, maybe tomorrow. But if not, I'm probably gonna be live again on Friday to let you guys know about everything, especially for my pageant girlies, regarding the whole collaboration with Naledi Star Foundation. So basically there's like my model coach ne so I'm on a partner up with Lebo because she mentors models, right? And then so as she mentors models, you guys are gonna join her modeling thingy, right? And then I'm gonna come with every information that you guys need. But I was just letting it out there that also Miss Teen Icon is looking for models to join, right? So you better join before it's too late. Now on my side, I am going to bring 50 models that I'm going to look for on my own. So yeah, that's the first thing I wanted to address. Secondly, what did I want to address in terms of Miss Teen Icon? Yeah, so that you guys can join because applications are open. So applications are open as we speak. Thirdly, I see your DMs, guys. It's not that I don't see your DMs. I really see your DMs and I'm gonna answer to everyone. It's just that I wanted to go live about it just so I can tell you guys how everything is gonna go, okay? So I am going to answer you guys. I'm just also dealing with it on my side. Yeah. So if you guys have any other questions, you guys can ask me about it. Yeah. Okay. Answer us. Matlazwe. You see, I don't like this lipstick because my lips look like your hair. Sheba. It's even worse. This filter makes it better. How can Sheba without everyday miracle? Hey, wena, ikinabia. What the hell? Lipstick? Is it girls only? We'll wait for your feedback. Thank you. You're pretty. Thank you so much. You look so pretty with glasses. Thank you. Guys, is this lipstick bad? Tilamaba. Woo! I am not going to answer any personal questions, just so you guys know. But yes, it's not only girls. I'm lying. It's not only girls. LGBTQI, Akiti, the rest of the things that come after, ne? But community is welcome. Yeah, it's bad. Ngati was gogwana chomara. I take offense. Cho. You know, ne, the filter makes it look like it's cute. How come pona show? Where's Coco? Coco is sleeping. Reply for him. Miss Teen Icon South Africa. LGBTQI. I don't know whose glasses these are, but she's proudly Betty. Oh no, I'm not Betty. Zima Patlela. Add lip gloss. I forgot my lip gloss in Joburg. Hey, bandla. Ke serato ke wena mang le Thabo. Ke mekwa mahlaba khomu phovu se povesti period is Malvius Dobal. That's the girl. I don't know my clan thing is, guys. Let's go and judge here. Yo, I have a headache, yo. Like I really have a massive headache. Oh, Chakalaka beef is crazy. Miss Teen Icon South Africa, yes. Like I said, I'm not going to answer any personal questions. Period. Tabo, I'm so sad. Sis, my heart. I get sharp. Do you have siblings? Yes. You look tired. I am tired. Trust me. Hi, Zakes. Not Pov. Guys, Pov is in my clan name is thingy. Say one closer word that Musebiadi taught you. I'm looking for a word she likes saying. The Kaba. She likes saying the Kaba. The Kaba mna. I really tap on the Kaba girl. Where are you originally from? South Africa, shame. Do me this what? Someone will text the Instagram. Yo. So here's my chat name. I have campaigns to shoot for. And I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Shame should me or do Trump shame because the way I'm so tired. Yeah. But yes, guys, I just came on here to tell you about the Miss Teen Icon South Africa. So I'm gonna come here with more information, but I just want you guys to know that LGBTQI community, I'm not sure if QI, A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever. You guys are welcome to join Miss Teen Icon. Please even join. You're shooting today. I want to see you this weekend. Hi, shoot him or do Trump. Oh, my neck is so painful and stiff. Uncle Kafela ko. You guys must send help. Lurumeling my metro, firefighters. Your lipstick, winner. This is Avon. Ooh. So what about me? I'm not a teen and I'm looking for an open agent to enter. Yeah, I'm not sure about pageants that are open now. Zama body Miss Teen Universe. I can say something like that. Let me come cook for you. I'm hungry. Can I book a massage for you? Please and thank you. Yes. Guys, like I have knots here. The last time I went to a spa was last year. I'm buying. I have knots here. Like I legit have knots. You were in a Rolls Royce, now you're in a Kia. Yo, I shoot him. Wangamula was Capistorias Gamanya. Ape o itira motho ka rona skobo ka nna mare ke tshwentse mang mare o re tla le pizza skobo guys, I'm so sorry. Guys, these are the things you guys are writing on TikTok. Oh! Get out the edges to how I get a book. Tell me away. Hey, something some shy look boozy. Oh, guys, skin is skinning. Period. Headline EU red flag. Chumar. Can namarum patla mari. I'm here to tell you guys about Miss Teen Icon. Lina li busy like. Muki ben ma be lo budu. Tintang Tabo, I'm not okay, man. I'm not happy with what happened. But anyway. Muki ben ma bed. Opelanyan. Got it. I had a dream about you. Ding. You were right in front of me. Hey! In a white dress staring at my eyes. So your smile, I can't deny it. I can't believe I'm crying. Actually, instead of singing. Hey, period. No, I'm funny. Can you ever be serious? I try to be serious right now, telling you guys about the pageant. Lina le re keep my bed. Ooh. Oh no, lapile guys, I'm tired. What are you using for your skin? Back in. No, I'm actually funny. Like, I'm funny. I'm really. Time I'm alone in the car. I'm funny, ne? Okay, funny, ne? What need? Yeah. Tell me about. Kelly, what's about now? Why you say why is it called? Ilin na kira ke domalina. Olga, I can sharp. Guys, he's shy. What's wrong? How? Guys, do you lose the solulu? Why are you quiet? Why do you want to be quiet? How? I'm not gonna show you on camera. I can't show you on camera. I'm gonna know like if you did like 11 because when I'm busy staring at me. No, I'm telling them about Miss Teen Icon. I can't remember Miss Hore, like I'm the director. And I edit the bio. Yeah, because I'm the director of Miss Teen Icon South Africa and also the ambassador for Miss Teen Icon South Africa. And then I get 2023 Queen Miss Teen Regional Gauteng Province. I'm a South African actress. I'm a model, singer, dancer, a promoter, brand ambassador, presenter, radio host, everything host. I wanna like multi-talented and multilingual. So when I shy. No, let me take off these glasses because they're gonna see you, and you know how the glasses like a reflection. Yo. Okay, exarasa hey. Yo, ilunna. And then I kill a povist. There's nothing you can do. Thing is, they want me to show you, and I can't show you because we're not utaba camera. Okay. Are you gonna be mad at me that I'm wearing your No, get to end the live. Get to end that way. I'm gonna end it now. Okay. No, let me tell you. Thing is, I'm proud of myself, because like there's a lot of things that I'm doing, and then I can type it out, celebrate the achievement. It's like unless if when I want to on a date or one celebrate or someone else want to celebrate, you get what I'm saying? Otherwise, I keep proud of myself. Like, I achieved a lot. Each year. And a West part. Even West part, great part. Independent woman. Ask me what. Until I'm not getting. That's like it's fine. I hear you, but I can't show you now on camera. And ke le provised ke jaaka go jwetsa gore ke le provised. So it's get la yo ile nna ke re ke fura lona yo. So Dilulu is the only Solulu, my dear. I'm alone, guys. You must normalize talking to yourselves. Sure, let me do my assignments. Wait. No, actually, let me just click on the Miss Teen icon. Love bite way, Saba well, shame. I cannot tell. I don't have anything like that. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Mamelang he ke le jwetseng. Okay, so basically, I agree. Jaga ke bua re tlo bua ka Miss Teen Icon South Africa, right? How do we book you to be an MC? Email me, darling. Where is Batung Bamjum? Shoot him to Hulu Trump. Guys, didn't matter. Okay, so Miss Teen Icon South Africa, like it always says, it aims to prove diversity, inclusivity, and empowerment amongst teenagers in South Africa. So, regarding its stance on the LGBTQIA, sorry, I don't know it, community name. So Miss Teen Icon South Africa has taken a progressive and inclusive approach. The pageant has made a commitment to being an ally to the LGBTQI community and promoting acceptance and inclusivity, right? So this is how everything is gonna happen. So first we have an opening cast and then inclusive platform, and then there's like LGBTQI friendly activities. There's just a lot of information that I can give you guys today, but I need to put a day, hence I said Friday. Friday, I'm going to tell you guys everything that you need to know, especially about the pageant. How do we book you in Matlati? Email me. Love you all the way from Eswatini. Book me, Nana. Okay, wait, let me read this quick. Yes. So with the LGBTQI, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Please forgive me. But it says the pageant's platform focuses on promoting self-acceptance, confidence, and empowerment among young people, right? Including those from the LGBTQI community. The contestants are encouraged to share their personal stories and experiences to inspire others, which means even the LGBTQI members are welcome to join Miss Teen Icon South Africa. Yes. So the pageant has an open casting call, which means that anyone who identifies as a teenager between the ages of 15 and 19 can participate regardless of their gender identity, sexual orientation, or any other characteristic. Otherwise, I hope that whole sentence answers some of your questions, right? Go live telling us about how to be an actress. Okay, let me finish here. But okay, I'm done actually. So I hope that just answers everyone's questions regarding Miss Teen Icon South Africa. Okay, now moving on to what being an actress. So Nim, you don't just wake up and say I want to be an actress or an actor, whatever the case may be. Your email address, let me write it down. Lethabo Beans. Okay, so basically, let me start here. Number one, something that you should know is that you don't just wake up and decide that I want to become an actress or I want to be an actor, whatever the case may be. So it really takes a lot. It has to be passion, number one. Secondly, to have a YouTube channel, yes, I do. It has to be passion, number one. Two, it has to be something that you don't mind waking up about 3 a.m. every day to go and do because it's your passion and it's what you love. Right? Now, I even get some DMs of people saying, hi, I really need money. Please help me be, be an actor or actress, whatever my case may be. Yep. So, with that being said, if you just want to do it for the money, always, right? But for now, I personally won't be able to help you if it's not something that you love. Because it's going to be hard for me to just get through to you if it's not your passion. If it's not something, one of your aspirations or something, Hear me out. Now, for example, with acting, I started at a very young age, like when I was still go crèche from primary as well, and I used to perform even at church. I was an MC at church. I sang as well at church. I performed arts at church, but for me it was something that I never thought I'd take it as a career one day. You know what I'm saying? For me, it was my therapeutic space. Whenever I'm on stage, give me a mic. That's therapy. I can battle therapist tipile haga. I can battle therapist. Just when give me a mic. After giving me a mic, let me get on stage. That's me literally. That's my therapy session. Right? So grade 8, 9, I started joining agencies, right? I was the one applying for myself. Like I was like, let me just try this thing out, And I pushed. Like I really pushed. I gained international experience as well. I have international education, acting. So I really pushed, and I've been rejected a lot. A lot. Now, one thing about me, like, I really, really love rejection. As much as rejection hurts, you need to learn how to accept it and fall in love with it. Hear me out. I know some of you guys are busy saying, no, you can't fall in love with rejection. Rejection is painful. Rejection, this and this and that, right? But I love rejection because rejection is something that motivates you to keep on going. You learn something from it. Don't take it as, yo, I'm being rejected, my life is over, that's it. You understand what I'm saying? You take it as a step of moving forward, improving from what you did. Because obviously if someone rejects you, they tell you the reason why, right? And you need to work on the reason, right? So I've been rejected a lot. Rejection is redirection. Thank you. So I've been rejected a lot, like in the industry. Yo. This was like in primary, and I remember I went to this other advert. I forgot who I went to this other advert. Yo, I was number 146. And I still stayed, because I knew what I wanted, and I wanted to become on TV, like to become an actress, and then I wanted to be on TV. I was really serious about that, and I wanted to be in the industry at a very young age. Like how you get kids who grow up in the industry, That's what I wanted. But after that, I never got the gig, and I didn't understand why. But I never lost hope, because I knew that one day ke tlo ba mo TV, and ke tlo ba mo TV pov, Then I tried different agencies up until I landed up le Metlaring Actors and Performers. This is me plugging you guys. Take notes. Metlaring Actors and Performers Agency is still the agency that I'm in now. So, Kametlaring, I don't want to lie, I worked so hard that I got a gig within a month. Kile ko Metlaring. You know what I'm saying? And I was so shocked because, number one, I gina a month. Kile ko Metlaring at that time. But I already begged a Skeem Sam gig. You know what I'm saying? And for me, I still can't believe it even now, because seeing yourself on TV versus other people seeing you on TV, it's a whole different experience, And like I always say, like I was saying now to my imaginary friend, I never really celebrate my achievements, Like it's just, oh, we got this goal, moving on to the next. Oh, okay, reached this goal, moving on to the next. You know what I'm saying? And for now, I'd say I really want to thank everyone who's been supporting me, like, ever since, especially my mom, my dad, my family, guys. My family has been there since day one. My family literally has been there since, and also with parents, we really tend to overlook the way parents treat us. Not personally, if it wasn't for strict Bamamaka, I wouldn't have been here today. I know I probably would have, I don't even want to say it, but it also teaches you something. You grow in your mind. You know what I'm saying? Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. So, you grow as a person. And now I also thank God for my mindset, because I believe my mindset is way different from my age mates. Because when I think of something, I think of the future, of how this is going to affect me in the future. Yes, as a kid, you make mistakes there and there in life. That's okay. But you dust yourself, you get up, and you keep on going with life. So here, I got the Skeem Sam gig. I kept on pushing, I kept on pushing. And also, it's about discipline. It's about discipline. So as much as you can go out there and fight to be on TV and do whatever, it all depends on you as a person. Hear me out. O texta Lethabo, o texta Matlhatsi, o texta Pextini, o texta Zizo, o texta Musa, o texta Kwaito, o texta Marconi Ferguson, o texta Mr. Mandla N. You text Lindu Edikana, or no, I want to be on TV, please help me. Number one, if you text me, the question I'm going to ask you first is, please send me a resume. Right? And if you don't have a resume, there's nothing I can do to help you. You find people by the resumes, which is the resume yabona is empty, That's okay. You are still working your way up there. Right? But also you need to refrain from texting people and telling them that you want them to more acting, more acting and everything. Right? You need to work your way up there. Everything is given to you here. But because Rina, as the youth, Ratswafa, we always want people other people to do stuff for us, and we always want everything on a silver platter. Even though everything is here on the silver platter, we are still lazy to use everything that we're given. Sharp. Let me make a clear example. Right? I wanna make you guys notice how lazy everyone is. More WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp got updated, and then the meta verified, meta what, meta this, right? Let's say, for example, you want barking the agencies. More WhatsApp unyao. Instead of you creating group chats and speaking nonsense the whole day, ne, you can go to Meta. I'm plugging you. You can go to that Meta, WhatsApp. You see how you're always asking Meta, please do this, please do this. The same Meta that you're talking to, more WhatsApp, that artificial intelligence thing. You can ask Meta, ke kopa hore o mphe the agencies, acting agencies. It's gonna give you everything. And let me tell you another thing again. For the business people that want to get into business but don't know how, you are lazy. It's here. Meta, ke kopa wetse a business proposal for Dikgomo talent agency that I wanna start. Meta you offer business proposal Meta ke kopa business proposal. I wanna start a business. I wanna start clothing business, but I want a proper business proposal to take to companies. Meta you offer business proposal like ofela dzi. What else do you want? What else do you want? I don't understand. You know what I'm saying? And yes, it's really not about the resume. You understand what I'm saying? Hear me out. Talent is not defined by resume. Talent is really not defined by resume. But experience as well. You can't just say I'm an actor or actress and then nakitori. No. What's this thing? Show me a video or something. You don't even have a video of you doing a monologue or something like that. You need to have these things on your phone. Take monologues, post them. We literally have a whole social media to ourselves. We have TikToks. TikTok is even faster than... Stop. Are you leaving? Okay, bye-bye. You take, what's this? Video ya gago etsa monologue. You post it on TikTok. You tag everyone. You've been texting. Now you tag us. We help you. We repost. You know what I'm saying? Because also, if you tell someone that you're an actress or you're an upcoming actress or whatever, seeing that video makes us believe it. No, man, this person has potential. But if you don't have a video, you don't have anything to back you up in you being an actress. I don't know it's anything. We can't do anything. We can't help. And Arena also, we can't help you guys. We can only help you by plugging you guys with agencies and telling you guys what to do. We can repost your stuff so that the right people can see it. You know what I'm saying? But there's nothing we can do. Not personally, I don't even know about auditions and whatever the audition standing the guy. I don't know that. Hence, I'm also in an agency because agency is the one that provides such stuff. You know what I'm saying? This question, I want to be an actress. How can I be one? I don't even know. What do you write on a resume? There's no qualifications. Acting doesn't need qualifications. It's all about talent. Trust me. The only the resume that's by experience. Experience meaning the workshops you've attended. If you attended workshops, every workshop that you attend, every acting workshop that you attend, put it on your resume. It counts as experience. Tell us how you started acting. Oh, shame. I just joined an agency. Hey, when am I through? But I hope you guys get me though. How do agencies work? Okay, so not the first few agencies that I was in, they made me pay for to join an agency, which I didn't understand why. And then I joined Metlaring. I never paid anything. Shame. So I joined this application process that I know for Metlaring vele ba batla a video ya monologue that you have to do. So you have to get a monologue that you have to do. And then application process or EDA. So what if you're just a starter and you don't have any experience or monologue whatsoever, but your dream is to act? Get a monologue. Get a monologue on social media. Meta verified mo WhatsApp. Lidula linezi di WhatsApp. Type mo Meta or Meta. You kupa monologue about something. You take that monologue. You take your tripod. If you don't have a tripod, be a phone mo microwave. Halista microwave ko eno. Be a phone mo fatsi. Halista mo fatsi ko eno. Be a phone somewhere. Most carrying something. You know what I'm saying?